What's going on, guys?
Hello.
Here with another update on the progress of all the remodeling going on here at the Drake Hotel, Poppy's Bar and Chill.
It's looking awesome, friends.
Looking great.
Yeah, check it out.
It's looking Drake.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, let's check this progress out, everybody. Let's start out here.
This is new.
So yeah, this is new today. So we're starting to get the outside of the restaurant area, these pillars, what do you say, columns?
Columns.
The columns are being painted to match the inside of the restaurant. I'll give you a look. This is a first coat. So yeah, this is just a rough coating here, but from a distance looks great.
Yeah, if you squint real hard.
Get real close, we'll pick out all the little imperfections, but this, like I said, first coat, and we just keep bringing more and more stuff in. We have some replacement wallpaper, some more tile stuff going on, and more of the columns here. Looking good, but take a look inside, guys. Take a look in here. I'm gonna do a slow pan. Look at this. This is really coming together, everybody. Very nicely. Very nice. And all the trim work here around the future bar. And yes, if you haven't figured it out, if I haven't mentioned it, this will be a circular bar that sits under this I guess you want to call it this border on the ceiling. So a huge 12-seater around here in the center of the restaurant. And we do have some other plans for the outer areas. I'm going to break that out as we go. Got to leave a few surprises, right? But this, just picture this, guys. Picture this bar, because this is bar and chill, right? I can't stop progress. The machinery in the background, you know, this is real.
The first dinner.
What is for dinner? Frank is in control of the dinner. Look at him. He's got some chicken wings going on.
No, it's chicken.
Or just
fillets.
chicken fillets. I thought they were wings.
No, that's
We got some Poppy's pinto bean soup that I brought over that they're going to eat up too. And I got to tell you guys, I wish you could taste it. It's got some smoked ham hocks in there.
I'll save it for you guys.
Oh my goodness, look at that bean soup. Oh, it's delicious. The onions.
Try one little nibble.
Oh,
here.
you're gonna get a taste.
I got you one little nibble here.
Get a taste of Frank's
Taste of Frank's
cooking
I've
here.
had Frank's cooking many times.
He knows how to do it. He's gonna be throwing down in this kitchen, guys. We gotta learn him how to make some biscuits and gravy though.
I love cooking.
Yeah, you do. We're putting the stoves to the test here. How was it?
Delicious, juicy. Good.
Frank's food review here. First meal cooked over here in the kitchen. Yep, got their rice going, of course. They got it all worked out. These guys are working hard in here, so they got to be fed well. So yeah, this is just coming together nicely, guys. Beautiful job these guys are doing. Wouldn't you say there, Mark?
I'm still enjoying this chicken. But yeah, it is great. It's come together. It is so awesome to see something come together. Like, we picked out these colors, just kind of envisioned it, and it has turned out better than I could ever imagine.
Better than the vision.
Better than the vision.
I
cannot
agree.
wait to see the tables in here, the booths,
Oh, what? The
Circle
booths?
bar.
Blank?
the circle bar,
Yeah.
the custom, even the custom bar stools that we're having custom made.
Custom made bar
We're not
stools.
just going out and buying this stuff. We're having this stuff custom made. So the Drake spared no expense.
No, they
Hope you guys
didn't.
enjoyed it.
No, this place is going to be right, guys. When we're done, it's going to be a magnificent place to come visit and stay, eat, enjoy. Let's take a peek in the remodeled bathroom. It's far from being done, but they have made some progress. of the bathroom so far in here. Let's take a peek in the old 101 remodel. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful accent wall in this bathroom. Tile work's done in here other than the floor. Everything is very nice. All the lines nice and straight. Great job these guys are doing here.
Can't wait to see it all trimmed out. We
Look
gotta
at
get
this
some new
bathroom.
light. That light is
It
not,
is super dim.
yeah, and just, yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, this is coming together really, really nice. Very happy so far with the way everything looks. I love this bathroom. I like the dark tones. I've had some comments. I do appreciate all the comments, guys. This is a record comment section on this last video. Or actually the first breakout video. We've got like 200 comments. Thank you everyone for taking the time to share with us your best wishes and everything. And even those that even criticize some things. We have some mention of the dark paint maybe not being what would be seen typically, or maybe a hard maintenance type deal to take care of in a hotel. I don't know. We just like it. It's a nice touch. It's different. I like this color scheme myself. I like the dark trim. We have yet to trim in here because we do plan on trimming this.
This is a blank slate in here. All
This
this
room-
is gonna be different.
Yeah, this room's totally not touched yet, but that bathroom,
The only thing is the bathroom.
the bathroom is really nice, man. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful work they've done.
We should have this room all completely done with the new furniture and stuff that's coming by Christmas.
Yep.
I think we ordered some stuff that's not going to be in until like the 22nd. We'll try to have a Christmas Eve video. I have it somewhat thrown together.
Absolutely. We got to. Got to. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but
Speaking of messes, I got to point out something.
let's see how they mix their tile. Their grout and their mud and everything.
Yeah, so me and Poppy just went to Wilcon, which is kind of like the equivalent to Lowe's in the States. But yeah, we couldn't find a bucket. We asked, can we buy a 5-gallon bucket to mix the stuff in for the guys?
Yeah, you know, like Lowe's and Home Depot have the buckets. You know, Lowe's and Home Depot sell these orange, I guess what is it? Home Depot's got the orange buckets, right? And you can go in there and just buy a 5-gallon bucket for like $2.50. Maybe they're $5, I don't remember. But they're everywhere. They're on every aisle, stacked up, because it's an easy sell. Everybody needs a bucket, you know, to mix in or to paint from or whatever. You need buckets.
They just pour it on the floor.
Right here. You don't need a bucket,
They pour it
guys.
on the floor. They add a little water to it. It is very similar to the process that Poppy makes biscuits
Right.
on the countertop. You put your flour, you add your liquids, you're putting the dough together.
Yeah.
Same thing. They just do.
They do it on the floor, and they use the thin set and all the I guess the grout. They haven't even grouted in here. Where's all the brown coming from?
I think they have some grout.
They got some grout going on?
Is
I'm
that
thinking,
what that
why is the brown in here? Ah, maybe it is
Is that some of the
brown.
grout in the white
Oh, shoot.
or no?
Yeah, but it's not brown. Our grout's not brown anyway.
Or brown is beige.
That's just the dust. That's the dust from them cutting the tile, I guess.
Maybe.
That's the dust from the tile they're cutting, because we haven't got any kind of brown grout or anything going on in this scheme. Anyway, guys, we wanted to show you what's going on here. That's today. Hadn't really received any big items to show you yet, but just touching base with you.
Yep. Hopefully we got the new oven coming tomorrow. Hopefully.
We got some stuff scheduled tomorrow, some more videos to come. Thank you very much for everything, for watching our videos, keeping up with us. See you on the next video.
Peace.